Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the Witness Without Identity channel. As I told you since the beginning of the year, I decided that to refine the message that I'm trying to tell you, because I think the message has to hit home. It's a very important message. This is a channel that talks about politics, but it has a spiritual underpinning so that we can look at the world in a very careful and peaceful way, so that we can have a clear mind. I'm going to show you two videos, one from the Young Turk and one from my favorite spiritual guru. And the Young Turk talk about all the chaos that happened, I think a couple of days ago, about the chaos, the people that went into the Capitol. And then I'm going to have another video right next to it that's about peace and spirituality. Guess what? Both those worlds are live in the same planet. There are people that live in the world of the chaos. There are people that live in the world of peace. Let's take a choice. I put the choice right in front of you. Make the choice. Okay? So look at the video. Let me know what you think. I'm going to comment after both videos.
And I'm getting texts, as I'm sure Dan and Abby are as well, from members of Congress, Trump supporters, Biden supporters, Democrats, Republicans, who are stunned. They have been told by Capitol Police they have to shelter in place in their office. Is it because of a terrorist attack on the United States? It's because Trump supporters are violently, in some cases, forcing themselves into the United States Capitol, stopping the constitutional proceedings of the counting of the electoral votes for Joe Biden, the president-elect.
That look like law enforcement with their arms drawn. We're actually looking at video right now of these anarchists interaction and these people who were involved in this insurrection. They broke the glass in the United States Capitol, and now they are climbing through the window. This happened moments ago on the grounds of the United States Capitol. This is
If I wanted to say a message to the whole world, I would say, don't worry about anything at all. Don't worry about anything at all. You remember this thing, that you are not here by accident, no? Even in this farm. This is just a costume for a while you have to wear. But the one who is behind the costume, this one is eternal. You must know this thing. If you know this and trust this, you don't have to worry about anything. You will not panic or act so prematurely. And you will allow yourself just to not just always react, but just to keep quiet. And you find your mind comes nicely again into your heart, and then you begin to see in your natural state, from your natural state. And I want to say that this world is so full of love. And your heart, your being is so full of love, full of peace. You don't have to go to someplace else to find peace. You don't have to go to India to find peace. You don't have to go to Himalaya to find peace. You don't have to go to the Caribbean to find peace or happiness, because it's right where you are. And if I had to share something, then this is what I would want to share with you, that yourself, when you say I, the true meaning of I is joy. It is happiness, it is life, and it's also the witnessing of life. So all the other things is just no big deal, you know. All the other things is just swimming by, just like clouds in the sky. You know, you don't want to hang on to any cloud, because for how long will that last? Let them pass, let them pass. And that's not to say don't enjoy your family, don't enjoy whatever, enjoy what comes, but don't worry about anything. Just be happy, 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 and know that whatever happens in life, and the final point, everything is fine. All is fine. So, namaste. Namaste. Mm-hmm. Namaste. That's namaste. All I want to tell you. Uh-huh. Happy, happy, happy.
Now my eyes bewitching power, no more shall bind us, no more shall bind us, no more shall bind us.
So you see both videos, right? You see what Muji said. You see the people going into the Capitol, you know, because of Trump. They are really crazy about Trump. You know, they're willing to do anything for this guy. And you see how the world is scary, and it's very worrisome, because now it looks like we're going to lose our democracy. I'm going to ask you to do one thing, and I'm going to do it for myself too. Let's both do it. If you're listening to me right now, I'm talking to you. Listen to me carefully. We're gonna make a choice between this chaos and the peacefulness and the mindfulness that the other guy is saying. We're gonna make the choice, and we're gonna make the right choice. I'm gonna make the right choice. I'm gonna pick the second video about that say that not to worry about anything. Let's not worry about anything at all. And this is my message for the Trump supporters. Don't worry about anything. Election fraud, no election fraud, don't worry. If the government say that they want to move on, Joe Biden won, let's not worry. If they say Joe Biden don't win, then take it. Okay, it's okay. But if that's the way it does, and then we went all the way forward to the federal government, and then Supreme Court people are saying that no, they don't know, you know, they don't want to pursue it, they don't think there's enough evidence, don't worry about it. Now on the left side, like on the left, on the Democratic side also, they kind of done some conspiracy thing on the Russiagate to impeach Trump for Russiagate, for phone calls. So both of us have to calm down, and let's be careful how we look at the world. We need to go back to reality. You know what I'm saying? What is real, what is not real. It's it could become very confusing and very difficult and very scary if we do not cure this problem. Because if we both live in a non-reality world, in a world that is not real, and we believe in facts that are not true, that becomes very dangerous. That can divide us for years to come. And we don't want to be divided. We are called the United States of America. And guys, I don't know when. One of these days I'm gonna let you know. I don't know when. Today is January, February. Let me see. Maybe sometime in March. I'm gonna have I'm gonna go to like a chat, a live chat, where I'm gonna talk about those things. I'm gonna start doing live chatting also, so you guys can comment into my podcast, into my chatting. It's gonna be on Twitch. It's going to be on Twitch. I'm going to let you know the date exactly, but just keep following me, because I want you guys to comment with me what you guys think. But what I'm saying to you guys, it's what's very important here. And please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, please subscribe. The message I'm telling you is very important. We're in a pivotal moment, right? We are in a pivotal moment, and it's a very scary moment, right? What if I tell you that don't worry about it at all? Be at peace with yourself right now. Guess what's going to happen when you do that? You're going to bring the whole world at peace one by one. It's going to be you and I working together. You see, you know, you never met me. I never met you. You across the TV, you're looking at me. You never met me. But I think you and I, you pray for me, I pray for you. We get both of our minds together. Then our mind's going to go out there into the world. And we're going to bless the world. And we're going to be honest about it. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about my ethnicity. Don't worry about my nationality. Don't worry about it. What matters is that I'm conscious and you're conscious. That's what matters. This is where we meet. And this is the most important thing. Don't worry about too much about the cover, the suit. Don't worry about what party I'm from. I'm actually independent, actually. I'm not a Republican or Democrat. But I like ideals from either side. So please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me. And I would like to know if in the comment, let me know if you're gonna follow me, so that I can tell you when I'm gonna do a live chat, so that we can talk about those difficult issues, and I can explain myself very well, and you can ask me questions. I want to have more live chat, so please follow me, guys. Thank you. Thanks again, and God bless you, and God bless America. Please subscribe.